Does the NCLEX score expire? How long is it valid, Jean?
It does not expire actually. If you pass NCLEX, that is like for life. You don't if you pass it once, you don't retake it unless there are like I know one board of nursing like the Connecticut Board of Nursing. If you if you pass the NCLEX but you don't renew it for like 5 years and you don't have experience within 5 years time, then you will retake the NCLEX. So there are certain states has different policies. In Illinois Board of Nursing, if you pass the NCLEX, you have to have the license. You have to apply the license within 1 year time. There are cases also that even if the nurse has passed the NCLEX and she was not able to get the license, there was a consideration during the pandemic time that the license was still issued. But it is very important that if you pass NCLEX through Illinois Board of Nursing, you have to apply the license within 1 year, or else you may retake the NCLEX.
Okay. Wow, that I did not know that. So that's really important information for anyone taking through Illinois. Is there like like with the CGFNS exam, you can only take it 4 times a year. You've got to book for it ahead of time.